We're also producing an executive masterclass, which is, as it sounds, designed for people who are in senior leadership roles across the organizations that CDPS are working with. And that is really designed to help people in those roles to understand the value of service design, understand what it is, understand ultimately how user-centered design potentially changes the ways of working in the organization, but also the ways of working of your leadership team. So we will talk about what we mean by services, we'll talk about what we mean by a good service, we'll talk about the capability that's required from that, and we'll also talk about how we get to a point where our organization is able to deliver some of those things. So it's a 4-hour introductory masterclass. We know you're busy people, so it's not as long as the other classes. And it's really for folks who are in a leadership position, perhaps maybe 2 or 3 steps removed from direct service delivery. So perhaps even in operational, kind of HR, finance roles, but need to understand the importance of their role as an enabler for service design to happen. So if that sounds like you, then please do join us on the Executive Masterclass for Good Services.